Hi, this is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. Today I want to talk a little bit about how you as a fleet can reduce your liability. And one of the biggest things you can do is put in protocols and programs in place at your fleet to ensure that everything is documented and understood, both from a driver level and from a safety perspective. And so that ranges from a variety of different topics like training, hiring, even supervision of your drivers after they've been onboarded and in your fleet. And so in that process, one of the biggest things you can do is making sure that you have a clear and concise escalation process. And what I mean by that is understanding what merit's being put on first warning, second warning, final warning, suspension, termination, where those trigger points are, what are the different offenses that would get you on those, but then most importantly, documenting that and then having that consistently administered across your entire fleet and for each of your drivers. And if you do that and have all of the different training or corrective actions that are resulting from each of those different escalations, you will have a really good defensible position if and in fact you ever do go to court. And so these and other types of insights we'll be discussing with Jim Gurman, one of the partners at Pion and the Roan, this Friday on our next webinar of how to reduce liability with technology. So please, if you're interested and want to take a little bit deeper dive, have someone who's an expert in this specific field, Jim Gurman, to talk with, please feel free to click on the link above and subscribe to that webinar and be able to attend this Friday. Thank you again, and this has been another 60 Seconds of Safety.